If you love skincare, hair care and discovering new products, you are going to love this video. Today I have a massive unboxing with a lots of exciting finds. So grab a snack and let's dive in. I have been so excited to open these packages and share everything with you guys. Inside we have got skincare essentials, hair care goodies, beauty favorites and a few products that I'm trying for the very first time. I'll be giving you my honest first impressions, talking about what caught my eye and sharing why I decided to pick these products up. Now without wasting any more time, let's start unboxing. As you can see कि parcel के ऊपर mention है कि it's a parcel from Trago. I ordered one thing from Trago and ये मेरी wish list में काफ़ी time से थी. Now let's open it and yes, it's a glycolic acid toner. I heard a lot about this toner and इसकी बहुत ज़्यादा hype create हुई थी. So I wanted कि मैं जल्दी से इसको try करूँ. So I ordered it. Basically, glycolic acid toner is alpha hydroxy acid. It helps exfoliate the skin and can improve several common skin concerns. ये dead skin cells को remove करता है, skin को brighten up करता है, dullness को reduce करता है, overall skin texture को improve करता है. So yeah, I will use it properly and will give you an honest review soon. And it cost me 1350 rupees. Okay, moving towards the next parcel and yeah, it's a parcel. So now let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, so it's a facial kit from Whitening Essence and ये overall पूरी kit है. So now let's open it and see how it looks. So basically it has 5 steps, which is cleanser, skin polish, massage cream, scrub and last is facial mask, and it cost me rupees 3200. Okay, moving towards the next parcel, which is most awaited part of this video, as it is mentioned on the package that it's from Hair Pantry. So now let's open it and see what I actually got. I ordered 3 to 4 products from this website. So now let's open it and see how the product actually looks. The most hyped products all over the internet, and I have heard a lot about these on Instagram and TikTok. In the very first package I got conditioner and a hair mask. The mask cost me around 1700 and the conditioner cost me 1250 rupees. Okay, in the second package I got shampoo and again serum, and the shampoo cost me 1650 rupees and the serum cost me around 2000 rupees. Okay, next is a parcel from Wow Bags, and from the name you will guess it. So now let's open it and that's how it actually looks. Honestly, I'm not very impressed with the package, but considering the cost, it's quite good. And this bag cost me around 1000 rupees. The material, stitching and overall finishing are amazing, but it feels a little bit lightweight. Okay, next is a package from Organic Travelers. So now let's open it. It's a rapid repair moisturizer and this is my second purchase. Very lightweight, non-greasy, and it cost me around 1799 rupees. Okay, next is a package from Isra Cosmetics and I got what I ordered. So let's open it quickly. Here are 2 nail glue bottles because I was looking for a good quality nail glue. So I'll definitely try them and let you guys know if they are worth it or not. And each glue cost me around 350 rupees. Okay, next is a parcel from BBL Derma as it is mentioned on the box. So let's see what's inside. And yeah, it's one of my favorite moisturizer and I'll definitely keep restocking it. Honestly, it keeps my skin soft, smooth and hydrated all day long. And with it I got a lip balm as a freebie. It cost me 1090 rupees. Moving towards the next parcel, which is from Gen Farm, and now let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, so it's a Spectra Block SPF 60+++. It's one of the most important product for summers. Not just for summers but for winters too. The best thing about it is that it doesn't leave any white cast. It has a very gentle formula and is perfect for daily use. And it cost me 998 rupees. Okay, so next is a product which I purchased from Daraz, and now let's open it. And yeah, it's a body lotion from Biocos. It has a glutathione, your skin को brighten up करता है, and it cost me 760 rupees. It feels really smooth and lightweight on the skin. Okay, next is a parcel in which there's a Flicka Silk Touch Milk Cream 3-in-1 Moisturizer and Primer. Okay, so there has been a lot of hype about the Tejasvi Prakash glow on all over the internet, and apparently she has been using this. So I had to try it by myself and it cost me around 1000 rupees. Okay, so next I ordered lips and cheek tint from NARS. इसमें 3 to 4 shades available हैं and I ordered this one and it cost me around 430 rupees. Okay, another parcel from Gen Farm and it contains a salicylic acid cleanser specially designed for deep cleansing and targeting whiteheads. It's a great addition for clear, fresh and healthy looking skin and perfect for keeping pores clean and reducing breakouts, and it cost me around 1098 rupees. Okay, moving on to the next parcel to see what's inside. And yeah, it's a complete PJ set from omi.pk This is my first purchase from this website and I was a bit worried about the fabric quality. But to be very honest, I'm really impressed. The fabric feels soft, comfortable and breathable. The stitching is neat and clean, the stitching quality is excellent and the overall finishing is very well done. There are no loose threads and the set looks well made and premium. Overall, it's a perfect combination of comfort and style and it cost me around 2000 rupees, which makes it totally worth it. Okay, the last two parcels actually are not mine. They belong to my brother, but I convinced him to let me unbox them in my video for fun. So now let's open it. Both are the shirts and see how they looks. Okay, so the first shirt comes in a gorgeous black grey shade. The fabric feels soft and comfortable. The stitching is neat and the overall finishing is excellent. It looks stylish, classy and much more expensive than its actual price. Honestly, I really impressed with the quality. Okay, in the next parcel, there's another shirt comes in gorgeous white color with a black collars and a cute zip details in the front. I absolutely love the contrast. It looks so classy and stylish. The quality, stitching and finishing are on the point and it gives a very clean and premium look. I'll make sure to add all the links in the description box for you guys. So that was it for today's video. Hope you all like it. So if you want more videos like this, then do like, share, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.